Welcome to Python Coding Challenge, Day 2. Today's our question is lesser of two evens. Write a function that return the lesser of given numbers if both numbers are even, but return the greater if one or both numbers are odd. Means what exactly we have to do here? We have to find initially we have to find whether the number is even or odd. If both the number are even, then we have to find the lesser among them. If one of them are odd, then we have to find greater among them. That's it. So let's build our solution number 1. Here I write a main function, then call the functions and declare a function using def keyword. So let's check whether the both number are even or not using the if condition statement. A2 double equals to 0 and B mod 2 double equals to 0. If both number are even, then what we will do? We will check one of which is lesser among them. If A is lesser B, then we will print A, else B. This is the condition for even number, but think that if odd number is come, both are odd number, else this is we are writing here odd number condition, else if A is greater than B, if consider if A is odd number and B is even number, then we have to check A is greater than B, then we have to print greater number here. Print A, else print B. So what exactly initially we checked whether the number is even or odd. If A mod 2 double equals to 0 and B mod 2, then the number will be even, and then we check if A is less than B, means if A is less among both even number, then A will print, otherwise B. If one of them is odd number, then it will check A is greater than B. If A is greater, then it will print A, otherwise print B. Let's run this code. What will the output of the first? That is 2, that is 3, and that is 4. Got it. So let's move solution number 2. Here we reduce the number of lines code. Let's build our solution. If A mod 2 double equals to 0 and B mod 2 double equals to 0, then it should return min of A comma B, else if the number is odd, then it will return else return max of A comma B. A comma B. This is our solution. So let's consider about this one. When 2 and 4 is passed to the A and B, then what will it check? 2 mod 2 0 and 4 mod 2 also 0, then it will check the minimum of bit among both number, then it will print the 2. Same with this 2 and 3, 2 and 3 pass to the functions, then a 2 mod 2 0, but here is a odd number, then it will return the max among them, then it will return the 3. Same with this 3 3 mod 2 condition means 0 1, it is not equals to 0, so it will check return max among them 3 comma 4. What will be max? It will return the 4. Let's run our code again. Getting right output 2 3 4. If you still have any query, then you can ask me over the LinkedIn. I will post the link in the description, and try the above code by yourself and post your answer into a comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching.